Oh no. No! You just failed you. Oh no. Big boy, there go. Big boy!
Oh, can't ditch me.
Oh, I hit you! I hit you! Oh, I really was not expecting to hit you there. That's funny. That's funny.
I don't have a spear first.
Oh, you liar. You liar. What are you doing?
Hiding.
Get out and face me like a man!
I don't think I will.
Get out and face me like a man.
The guy coming, so I gotta go.
No!
Let's see. I'm the skateboarders, I think.
No, don't kill me. It's not scary. Oh, get up! Get up, little fuzzy buddy!
Little fuzzy buddy.
Please take me!
They didn't kill me!
Why?
They didn't kill me. They
Throwing me around like a chicken trying to kill a snake. Yeah, because they. Oh! Ah, no!
Oh no!
You can move! No! Wow. Yeah, but chickens like toss around snakes.
Sneeze on me, Rebel.
Nope. Oh, you're dead now. It's so sad.
Am I? Am I? Or am I a legend? Watch this, watch this.
No, I'm gonna die.
Hey, that guy came up. Oh, okay.
What's the fun?
No, my rock killed me! Not the green guy to let you go.
Yay!
The guy's targeting was slightly better.
Yeah. No!
What do you mean? That was a rock.
It's still the same difference. It hurts the same. Hurts my feelings. No. No. Okay. Oh no! I swear, you jerk! Oh.
Watch this.
You're so mean! What are you doing?
Dancing.
Why are you dancing?
Use going for your body.
Yes, of course you got my body! I'm dead!
Where am I? Oh,
You know,
okay.
die!
That was.
Die!
That was.
Give me! Give me!
I just. I'm laughing you would have gotten you.
I would have cried. I would have full-on tears. Would have cried.
Oh, is it?
What the fuck?
Yeah. Huh?
Painful.
I'm gonna leave that.
It's very, very
Think on that.
painful. What do you think of that? Stop me! I have nothing to think about. I'm dead.
Dancing. You can't dance like me.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, that sucked.
Excuse me, man. Why you gotta be so skinny? Oh, let's go! I'll revive you, little buddy.
Hang on.
I'll revive you, little buddy.
Honestly, I thought that'd go over me.
I'll put on your butt. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Nope, no.
What was that about? They weren't even near you.
No, but they were chasing after me like the monsters that they are. I have more than enough spears because I am amazing.
I wanted.
Let's go!
Oh, let me. No. Let me. You got it real fast.
Why? That jerk!
Oh.
He was so mean!
What are you doing?
No! Oh. Uh-oh.
No, that's not happening. Do I have 2 spears here? I have 2 spears.
I have 2 spears as well.
I have 1. No, I have 2.
Twice. Oh, fudge. Oh, I killed the bat. Yay.
I tried running scare you, but I was crouched, right? And it stuck to 1, I could climb on it.
Oh, cool.
It's not gonna work because
I'm gonna throw it at you.
You see, like, this is your CDC spirit? I'm climbing on it.
It's not allowing me to throw it. I can't throw it. I literally can't throw the spear. I can't throw the spear. It's not allowing me to throw it.
No!
Oh,
You're dead. You're dead. You're
no.
dead. He missed you.
Oh, I'm too amazing. I am Ultraman.
It was a spear.
I think. I don't know what you're talking about. You have a spear?
No, I don't.
What in the world was that? Did you see that?
No, don't know what you're looking at.
I was running on all fours. God.
I mean, you mean like you press down button and then you start running right?
No. I pressed the down button and I started standing on both of my feet. Like my hands. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Perfecto. Perfecto. You're dead now. Yay.
What was that about? Yeah, you threw a spear at a wall. Is that gonna happen? No, he's too dumb.
No.
He's too dumb. Yes.
Set me free. I don't want to die. Please, no, don't kill me. I am so happy to die. Oh, there's a lot of them here.
I think we're the dragon. The guy can do it.
Oh my gosh, they're just eating something. Oh! How did
that happen? How did you come back to life?
Because I am amazing. Nothing can kill me.
Really?
Oh, you jerk! Go get it. See what happens. Go get it. See what happens. See what happens. Oh. No! Oh no, I missed. Oh no.
He's not.
Oh no, I missed. Oh no, I missed.
You're dead. There's nothing you can do.
No.
You're dead.
No,
You're dead.
I'm not dead.
You're literally dead.
Oh, what in the world? Wake up, little buddy!
I told you were dead.
Why were you so mean? You could have given me a fighting chance.
Not serious here.
And then you killed me.
Everybody!
No!
Oh, you might die. You might die.
No, I ain't dead yet. Didn't get it.
Yes.
I was juking them all.
That's the monster here.
Yeah, let's go.
What did you do? What can you do now, Anthony? How you gonna live from this?
I'm gonna
He's
like a
gonna
coward. Who is that?
Oh, you went now. You always so safe.
Oh.
Why would you do
No, I want to jump so I could jump on top of him and jump over.
Why would you go towards him?
Well, I didn't notice until it was already too late.
Okay.
Oh, fudge.
Let's rejoin.
Oh, thank you for saving. Thank you for the save.
I don't know what to do here.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I don't wanna die. You can still live with the cat. You just have to mash X before I get to the hole.
Yeah, no, they drive me off. One more round.
Okay. Oh, I forgot we still do the thing.
No, I'm saying I literally one more round.
Why?
No, we're around 19.
Oh, that's
We're around 20.
Wow! I can't believe you just did that.
L for a loser.
Stop.
Watch this.
Did you just sacrifice me?
No.
Oh, you missed! Oh, no! Oh, that was close.
Oh, too easy.
That was close. Look at too easy.
The game.
You're on a losing streak for a little bit.
Am I? You won.
No.
Oh, you won.